We're now going to show you how. We're so confident in the SSR system that we're going to take this Renault and deliberately scratch the door with a house brick. A body shop would typically charge up to £300 for this damage to be resprayed, and it would be off the road for several days. First, clean the damaged area with solvent. With a pair of protective gloves, apply the black paint as an undercoat to the scratch with a cloth. Apply the SSR compound to the area. Then use the slow speed buffer with a washable buffing pad and buff the SSR paint. Then apply the SSR paint color. Now add some more compound. Use the buffer to polish and apply more compound or paint if required. Clean down with a micro towel. You now have an amazing repair. Just look at the difference SSR has achieved.